Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get BullX access code. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, so in the video description or in the comments, you can just go ahead and copy the access code and paste it where needed for you to be able to enjoy a 10% automatic discount on trading fees. Okay. Whether you're using BullX.io or even BullX Neo right here, it doesn't matter. Okay, just click on connect to Telegram and wait for your Telegram app to open. Right here, open Telegram desktop. And if it needs a code, again, just copy the code from the description or in the comments. Just paste it, hit on enter, and once that's done, just wait for it. And after that, you should be able to log in with your account that got a 10% discount on trading fees. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.